He called Ted Arthur.
Who's the hell's Arthur?
Yesterday I was happy to play for a penny or two a song till a fella in a black sedan took a shine to my one-man band. He said, we got plans for you, you'd never dream. You're a star, a lame suit and a new guitar, and I know that you'll go far, 'cause you're a star. You're a star, superstar, on you go with your finest hour. Oh, I know that you'll go far, 'cause you're a star.
Yes, it's the New Faces All Winners Show. And here is your host for tonight, Derek Hobson.
Thank you very much indeed. A warm welcome to this, our third winners show in the series. So far, Roger de Courcy and Sparrow have gone through to that all-winners gala at the end. Tonight, one of these lucky 6 acts is going to join those 2 acts in that final. Now, will it be the Nobodies, or Bob Reed, or even Loco? Well, we'll find out very, very soon. It's up to the viewers' panel, as always sitting in the audience, to come to a decision. And should they disagree with our main panel, well, then that act will come back again to this program. And, of course, as always, we have our 4 professionals sitting over here beside me in this part of the studio. Let's join them. This is our panel tonight. Mickey Most. And beside Mickey Most, welcoming him back after a year's absence, Danny LaRue, Jack Parnell, and Jess Yates. That's our panel tonight. And if I sound a bit throaty tonight, bear with me. I'm afraid it's one of those things. The dreaded virus has finally struck. Anyway, we'll see what the 4 panelists get up to tonight and see what they think about these acts. We start with an act that won this show in February. A very talented act indeed from Liverpool. 4 fellows who certainly aren't what their name suggests. They are certainly somebodies, not nobodies.
Summertime, in the good old summertime. It's lovely in the